Good day, everybody. It's Jerry from BSK Garage. In this video, you're going to be looking at this Yakry vehicle backup camera system. I already have one installed in my 2014 Jeep JK, but it was wireless and it didn't even last 2 months. So this one here was half the price, but it's wired. So we're going to have a look at it and see. We got this little screen. I already had this out of the box once, so it never goes back in. This is the cable that's gonna run. Power. This is your camera right here. Suction cup mount, and right there. First off, for the instructions, we're gonna test it by hooking it up with the cigarette lighter because that'll be full-time on. But I'm gonna be tying into the back where I had my other one tied in with those reverse light and ground. Simple instructions. Now on the flip side, you'll see on the camera you got a green and white wire. Now according to instructions, if you cut the green wire, the 6 LED lights will turn off, so you won't have that when you're backing up. And the white wire will turn the image to normal facing image, so we don't have to cut that. We're gonna leave that because we are using it as a backup. Once again, a little tiny screen, suction cup. Let's hook this up. Now, if you're worried about cable length, you could probably shove that down a long truck. So I need this end right here to plug into the camera. Now I have a full-time power cigarette port, so we're gonna plug this in, make sure it works. Oh yes, we've got some power. So I just got it hooked up. Does okay. I mean, it's better than nothing, but video quality is not that good at all, to be honest. I learned from last time, it's easier to loosen up the license plate. Actually, I don't even have too much wire, which is good. Next task, finding place to mount it. So I'm gonna mount my screen right there. I'm gonna run my cable down to the passenger side and to the back. Like I said, you got lots of cable, so even if you have like a 3/4 ton truck long box, you'd still be able to reach the back. So I just ran the cable. Now I'm just feeding it through. That's about as much meat as I got. Something tells me that's not gonna reach the camera. Oh, it will. It will, barely. The kit came with Scotch locks, and I'm not a fan of those, not in the least. So I just ran it through the body, came down to here, ran it across. So the extra wire, tied them into here, plugged it in. I guess we should test and see if it works. This is the moment that I got everything back together that it won't work. Oh yeah, there we are. I mean, it's not horrible. I mean, for under $100, I guess you really can't expect much, but it does show me an image. Could be just be flickering like that because might still have an issue with the ground. Well, there we have it. It's installed. It's not horrible. I mean, it is a budget backup camera, under $100. See if it lasts longer than the other one I got, which was like almost triple the amount this one was, and it lasted 2 months. So I'm hoping this one will last longer. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next one.